What's the meaning of bargain hunter? Bargain hunter. Bargain hunter.
Bargain hunter. Bargain hunter. A bargain hunter is a person who seeks to find and purchase goods or services at a lower price than the market value. This individual is often on the lookout for sales, discounts, and special offers, and may be willing to wait for a sale in order to get a better deal. Bargain hunters can be found in a variety of consumer contexts, from shopping for groceries to luxury items. They may engage in comparison shopping, research product reviews, and check social media for deals. Bargain hunting can also involve haggling with vendors or negotiating prices. Overall, a bargain hunter is motivated by the desire to save money while still obtaining high-quality goods or services.